If you want an easy, creamy, delicious pasta dish, this is it. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making Bang Bang Shrimp Pasta. Come join me in my kitchen, and I'll show you how to make this yummy meal from start to finish. I'm starting by making the sauce. In a bowl I have some mayonnaise, and I'm adding in some Thai sweet chili sauce. This will add some sweet and heat to this dish. If you like additional heat, you can add some sriracha sauce. In goes some minced garlic, a couple tablespoons of lime juice, some crushed red pepper flakes, and onion powder, giving that a stir and setting to the side. This is a little over a pound of peeled, deveined, and cleaned shrimp. These are large, but you can use small or medium-sized shrimp. Adding in some olive oil, black pepper, minced garlic, and a good dose of paprika, giving that a good but gentle stir. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some olive oil, diced onions, and red bell peppers, stirring and cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to soften. Adding the shrimp to the pan and spreading out. This size shrimp will take about 7 to 10 minutes to cook. This is really smelling good. You can also use chicken for this recipe. You can use boneless chicken thighs or breasts and just slice them into 1-inch pieces. Use the same marinade ingredients, and I would let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. What is really nice is that you can make the sauce and do the marinating ahead of time. This is optional, but I'm adding in some peas for a little pop and color, giving that a good mix. You can use whatever pasta you like. Tonight I'm using Mafalda pasta, which is a narrow ribbon pasta. I cooked the pasta according to the package instructions, and now I'm adding it directly into the pan. Now I'm adding in the sauce and some parsley. This is dried parsley, but if you have fresh chopped parsley, that is the best. Giving that a good toss to get mixed and all the pasta coated, and the dish is done. I love the creamy sweet and hot in this Bang Bang Shrimp Pasta dish. It's spicy yet not too hot, and of course if you want to bump up the heat, just add in some sriracha. The meaty shrimp has some great flavor. I hope you give this Bang Bang Shrimp Pasta meal a try and enjoy. If you like this Bang Bang Shrimp Pasta recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!